Managed service providers play a crucial role in managing businesses' IT infrastructures, ensuring their systems are secure, efficient, and reliable. One of the key services MSPs offer is network security. GFI KerioControl is a comprehensive network security solution designed for MSPs, allowing them to provide these essential services to their customers. In this explanation, we will break down how MSPs can make money with GFI KerioControl, highlighting the key aspects of the business model, revenue streams, and strategies for profitability. GFI KerioControl is a comprehensive firewall and unified threat protection solution. It offers powerful security features including an intrusion prevention and detection system, antivirus protection, content filtering, and zero-hour threat protection to stop new and emerging threats quickly. These features help protect your customers' networks from a wide range of cyber threats. The primary way MSPs make money is through a recurring revenue model. Instead of a one-time sale, MSPs charge their customers a regular monthly fee for managing their IT security. This provides MSPs with steady, predictable income. The fundamental formula for profit is simple. Your monthly selling price, what you charge your customer, minus your monthly cost, what you pay for the Kerio license, gives you your monthly profit. Your cost is based on Kerio's flexible pay-as-you-grow licensing model. You pay per user. One user license covers up to 5 devices. There's a minimum charge of 5 users per license. This means your starting cost for a customer is for a block of up to 25 devices, 5 users x 5 devices. The suggested price, MSRP, is around $3 per user per month for the full security suite. Your actual cost from a distributor may be even lower. This is the most important part. Unlike many vendors, GFI gives you the freedom to set your own prices. You are not locked into a fixed rate. This allows you to build healthy profit margins. Here are 3 common pricing strategies. Price per device. This is the easiest model for customers to understand. You charge a flat fee for each device you protect. Price per user. You can align your pricing with how businesses think about their staff. You charge a monthly fee for each of their employees. Bundle it into a service package, most profitable. This is where top MSPs make the most money. You don't just sell a Kerio license, you sell a complete managed security service. You can use a single Kerio MSP license for multiple small customers and pool their devices together. This makes managing very small clients highly profitable. For example, if customer 1 has 9 devices, customer 2 has 8 devices, and customer 3 has 8 devices, making a total of 25 devices. Your total cost is for 5 users, which is just $15 a month. But you can charge each customer individually, let's say $5 per device, so $45, $40, and $40 respectively, making your total revenue $125 a month for a profit of $110. As you add more customers with the same license, the total number of devices will increase and the user count will adjust proportionally. For example, if you add customer 4 with 30 workstations and 1 server, the total number of devices would be 56. Dividing 56 by 5 gives you 12 users, and the price would be $36 per month. We've even made it simple to manage multiple customers efficiently. MSPs can use GFI AppManager, a free cloud-based management platform. With GFI AppManager, you can easily monitor the consumption of your customers, recognize peak usage, and accurately manage billing based on actual device counts. Key features include centralized configuration and alerting, multi-tenancy support, enabling you to securely manage many customers, detailed reporting and real-time monitoring of each customer's device usage. GFI KerioControl for MSPs provides a powerful and flexible security solution with an easy-to-use licensing model designed specifically for service providers. With GFI AppManager, managing multiple customers and billing based on real usage becomes straightforward and transparent. Contact your distributor or GFI KerioControl partner representative to start building your business today.